So here we have the best coffee maker that money can buy. That is, if your definition of money is exactly $25, no more, no less. So what we have here is a Mr. Coffee 12-cup coffee maker. I forget the exact model number, but it's not the cheapest coffee maker that they make, because there's one that you can get that's like $17, I believe. This one is supposedly a little bit better. A few features that I notice are nice about this coffee maker. It has an indicator on either side for how many cups you're about to brew, and then the mug that it comes with has an indicator on here to tell you how many you've drank. Now, the little flap on the top makes it a little bit difficult to, I think you kind of understand. It makes it kind of... Plus it gets really hot, but with those little things aside, I feel like it's a pretty decent machine. Now, it even comes with an on-off switch, so when you're not wanting coffee, you can just leave it off. So that's kind of nice. It doesn't just constantly brew coffee non-stop where you'd have to keep inviting your friends over and, serving coffee 24/7 because you've got a coffee maker that can't be turned off. So it does have that option, which is very handy, I would say. And it's got this little spigot up here. I guess you can't really see that. Let me grab the camera, show you. So it's got this little spigot up here that can swivel for easier cleaning. Now, interesting, there's a whole coffee bean still in with those grounds. So obviously the cheapest coffee may not be the best coffee, but so you swivel this little dude over there and then you turn it on and it's supposed to work. So we're gonna give it a try. I saw that this could be an issue where the water only sits on part of the coffee. So we are going to grab something and stir that around a bit as it gets going, because all of this over here is staying dry. So it's something I'd never really thought about. So we may end up modifying in the future this little showerhead thing to better water the coffee grounds. We'll just kind of stir this up a little bit so we get the ideal brew. Because what good is coffee if it doesn't end up having enough caffeine in it? So it looks like we've got about 11 cups. So based on the measurement back here to the measurement up here, we're about a cup shy. So that's not too big of a deal. We'll switch her off and pour a cup of coffee and see if it tastes like coffee or not. So I've decided, instead of using the big cup, I'm just going to use this little cup. Make it a little easier to drink out of. I switched the switch off because this does have a heat plate, hot plate. That thing that goes below its built-in mug for keeping it warm. So that way, if you're working and doing stuff, you can just put your mug back in there and it keeps it warm. So there's a decent, it's a decent serving size there, but we'll go ahead and give this stuff a taste test. If I had to judge it on a scale of 1 to it tastes like a cup of coffee, I'd say it tastes like a cup of coffee. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more coffee being made, well, I'll have to drink this first, but come on back.